In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Now click on Text Size and Weight. And finally operate this slider under Text Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Quick tip, if you decided to adjust font size, you can always go back to the same settings and also try to operate this slider under text weight to check out which one is the best for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!